Welcome children in bio class. Children, you are studying about respiration. You know respiration is a process by which living organisms get energy for performing different vital activities by the oxidation of glucose. Glucose is the respiratory substrate. It is oxidized in the cell, and energy which is stored in the glucose in the form of bond energy that will release in the form of ATP, and that energy is utilized to carry on their various life processes. So how is the respiration? What is the mechanism of respiration? Children, you have to study the mechanism of respiration. And in the mechanism of respiration, children, you will see in man the mechanism of respiration consists of following steps. In that, first step is breathing, second is external respiration, third is transport of oxygen, fourth is internal or tissue respiration, and fifth is transport of carbon dioxide. Children, some writer have told there are 4 steps in the mechanism of respiration. First is breathing, which is called pulmonary ventilation. So first step is breathing or pulmonary ventilation, and during this process the atmospheric fresh air is taken into the lungs, and from the lungs air is breathed out. So in the breathing or pulmonary ventilation are 2 phases. One is breathing in fresh air, that is called inspiration, and other is breathing out used air, that is called expiration. So inspiration and expiration is called breathing or pulmonary ventilation. Pulmonary ventilation is the technical term that is used for breathing, and there are 2 phases in the breathing. One is inspiration, other is expiration. During inspiration, fresh air of atmosphere is taken into the lungs, and during the expiration, foul air or air from the lung is expelled out. Second is diffusion of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide across the alveolar surface. Actually, it is coming in the external respiration, and external respiration is completed in 3 phases. First is exchange of gases in lungs. When air is taken into the lungs, then oxygen gas from the alveolar air diffuse into the blood of blood vessels or blood capillaries. At the same time, that oxygen gas combine with hemoglobin and form oxyhemoglobin, and from the blood of blood capillaries carbon dioxide will release, and that will diffuse into the alveoli or alveolus. Alveolus is singular, alveoli is plural. So that is external respiration, or it is also known as diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide across the alveolar air. Air is taken into the lungs, it will reach to the alveolus, then from the alveolar air, oxygen will diffuse into the blood of blood capillaries, where it combine with hemoglobin and form oxyhemoglobin. At the same time, from the blood of blood capillaries, carbon dioxide diffuse into the alveolar air. So this diffusion of the gases is due to difference in the partial pressure. Next step is the transport of exchange gas. So in the transport of the gas, there is the transport of oxygen. So oxygen is transported to the cell or tissue of the body in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Their blood is carried to the tissue or organs of the body. In the blood, oxyhemoglobin is present. So it is transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin. So this is the transport and exchange of gases. Next is tissue respiration. In the tissue respiration, there is oxidation of glucose, and after the oxidation of glucose, carbon dioxide will release. That carbon dioxide is transported from the cell or tissue to the lungs. So that transport of carbon dioxide. So these are the different steps of the mechanism of respiration in human. First is breathing and pulmonary ventilation. Second is diffusion of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen from the alveolar air diffuse into the blood of blood capillaries. From the blood of blood capillaries, carbon dioxide diffuse into the alveolar air. Next is transport of oxygen. Oxygen is transported to the tissue. Then there is tissue respiration or internal respiration, where oxygen is utilized. During oxidation of glucose, carbon dioxide will release. Then last is transport of carbon dioxide.